Hi, my Scorpios. Welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. This is Evrupa. I'm an astrologer, also tarot reader. We do tarot readings and other stuff in this channel. So, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry for the noise, that was my phone. So, today we will do your mid-month reading, that is from February 15th to 28th for my Scorpios. I hope you guys are having a good time, Anna. You know, the best part about Scorpio, as for my view, the best part about Scorpio is that they love chaos, and yet they love chaos, okay? But if you'll ask them to like sort some sort of situation or a conflict, they will do it like an expert, because they are so much into chaos and chaotic energies that they are the first to solve things out, like in this blink of an eye. That is a very nice trait of Scorpio. You guys are the ones who make the conflict and also resolve the conflict. Also, you guys are very mysterious and deep, and I do have my Mars in Scorpio, so I can very much relate to it. Scorpio is about death and rebirth, so maybe you guys are going through a lot of change at this time. Could be dealing with a Leo, or you could have Leo in your chart. Scorpios from the 15th to the 28th. Strong fire sign energies. Okay, I feel like there is some sort of resistance from someone's part. This could be you or someone in your life who has a lot of resistance towards some sort of commitment, or they don't want to make a commitment at this time, or things are very moving very slow between you two. You could reject someone or someone could reject you. या तो आपने किसी को reject किया है, तो किसी ने आपको reject किया है, और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इस व्यक्ति की तरफ से आपके मतलब इस व्यक्ति की तरफ से इस कमिटमेंट के लिए एक रेजिस्टेंस है, मतलब उनको अभी इस वक्त नहीं जानी है, या तो देयर आर सम अदर प्रॉब्लम्स टू देम दैट यू क्लियरली सी, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, बिकॉज थिंग्स आर गोना हैपन इन द डिवाइन टाइमिंग. I feel like there is some sort of divine timing at work, and maybe this person is trying out different things right now in life, or they might have this tendency to explore a little bit. You may be dating some sort of an explorer, not in a bad way necessarily, but could be a bad way as well. And with the 8 of Swords and 5 of Swords and the Queen of Wands, I feel like between you two, yes, you are very much stuck with this person and you can't stop thinking about them. आपके मन में this person is a wish of yours, okay? You wish for this person to be in your life, but in the current situation I feel like this person is being a little deceptive towards them or towards you, okay? This person is not being very honest about them, their feelings and whatever it is. And in 15th, between this time period of 15 to 28, there could be some sort of conflict between you two that is happening. Moreover, like someone is not ready to put an end to a situation, okay? Put an end to a commitment. You could be dealing with someone who is already married, or could be in a long-term relationship, or this could mean that in your relationship there is some sort of chapter that needs to end in order to like move forward and in order to grant your wishes, okay? But at this time you got to be very you've got to think positively, because with the 2 of Swords I see you guys not seeing things clearly, and you are like, if this is not happening right now, when will this happen? But my dear, there is some sort of thing called divine timing. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, or they could have Sagittarius in their chart also could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo or Sag. Okay, is Page of Pentacles. Someone is not making an offer right now. King of Cups, this could be you who has a lot of love for this person, and maybe this person is acting a little bit immature, or maybe you are acting a little bit immature at this time. If it is your job, I see some sort of rejection from your part or from someone's part. Okay, in a job situation there could be some sort of Mercury retrograde typical things happening, like some sort of deception to you. So just be careful from 15 to 28. There could be some sort of deception that is surrounding you, and also someone is a little stuck. Okay, this could be a person. This is, of course, if it is your love situation, this is a person in your life. I feel like someone is saying no to a commitment just because they are confused and they have they are being self-deceptive. Or this could be you. Maybe you have this tendency to make wishes that like if you make a wish, you gotta wait until the time is coming up. And I feel like you guys are becoming a little impatient, and you are like, no, if it is not happening now, it will not happen ever again. But my dear, it will happen in its time. And if you are trying to force some sort of wish to come true so forcibly, then things are going to go a little haywire, that's for sure. But it's not like it's not a good energy. Yes, there are some sort of problems happening. Let's see the oracle cards to get a more clear picture for you all. Invisibility. Take off your cloak of invisibility. Oh, take off your cloak of invisibility and let your light be seen. Okay, I feel like this is about your person. This person doesn't wanna fight. Flight. Let your creation and imaginations fly. Okay, so I got a little lost in your cards because I feel like either this person or you have this tendency to hide a part of yourself. Maybe maybe this person has not told you and they're hiding their feelings for you, and that is what is coming up as deceptive, because they need to put some sort of end to another situation. और ये तो आपके जॉब सिचुएशन में हुआ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग behind the scenes, if you are letting others take your credit, maybe you have been working on a project for past 1 week, and then you let your colleague Shresh take all the appreciations and apprehensions of yours instead of you getting them. I feel like maybe you are some sort of a person who gives away things very easily, and at this time I feel like it is your time to come out of that shell of yours, that invisible part of yours, and you need to be visible around among the people. Okay, agar you guys are working so hard, then let others know that this is you and you have done it, not the other person. So I feel like if someone is taking that credit, but you have worked for it hard, so I feel like if you need to claim that. Okay, and with the flight, I feel like maybe you have some sort of idea or imagination or like creative aspiration that you want to accomplish, but you could not do it. You are stuck, and I feel like spirits are asking you to not be stuck at this time and to just go through with whatever you want. And of course, what I said, take credits for what you work and what you have worked hard for. It deserves. If you are working hard for something, you deserve that appreciation. You deserve that trophy. Okay, so, and I feel like that's what it is asking you to do. Claim your credit. And with the flight, don't be afraid to express your creative aspiration and imaginations, because if you have creativity, if you have that zeal inside of yours, and that is gonna get the light, that is gonna get the fame, anyway, so there is no meaning of resisting something. And also in a love situation, someone needs to put an end, because they are being a little bit of deceptive and thinking a lot with the head rather than heart. So just don't and you as well, if it is you, don't try to rush things, because things will fall into places just when they are meant to fall. So this was your reading, my dear Scorpios, and I hope you guys liked it. And if it didn't resonate, check your other signs, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. And I'll see you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.